Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change default apps on HP laptop. To do this, we'll need to click on the Start, move to the Settings, enter Apps on the left, and go for Default Apps. Right here it's a bit confusing, but we have multiple ways we can change our default apps. You can do it by searching through your own apps, so find whichever app you want to set as a default, and you can go for Google Chrome, for example, and then you'll need to open it, and you should see in the top right corner of the screen set it as a default. Now let's go and here go for the file type, which is another way to change default apps. So for example, if you want to unpack I don't know, like RAR files with WinRAR, but you have two different unpacking or packing apps installed, you can find RAR, like RAR right here, and search for it. Okay, we might also need to put dot in it, so okay, the RAR is not available, but we can go for row, and then you can see which app is assigned to that file type. Click on it and then choose whichever different app you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.